Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to be an imposter on Among Us. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to be an imposter on Among Us, then there are several ways to increase your chances. Simply go ahead and open up a game, or you can simply host a game. Tap on create game button and then select your filters, select your map and the game type and the number of imposters. While selecting the number of imposters, you can set the number to 1 or 2 in order to get high chance on becoming an imposter. Another way to become an imposter is to simply tap on the confirm button at the bottom right after you select your imposter and other information. And another way to do so is to go and change your character's color by going to the wardrobe option and select a new color for yourself. You can now keep repeating this process until the game starts and other players join in with the game. Keep on changing your character's color until the game starts. Once the players joins in and your game starts, you might be able to become an imposter after you make this change. That is how you can easily increase the chances of being an imposter in Among Us game. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.